So in yesterday's video, I showed you guys a unboxing of the new Series 4 Apple Watch Gold Stainless Steel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a side-by-side speed comparison between the Series 4 and the Series 2. This will give you a good idea and sense of how big of an upgrade this Series 4 is, especially if you're coming from an older model like the Series 2, 1, or 0. If you haven't already subscribed, then please go ahead and subscribe down below. Let's get started. So over here we have the Series 2 and over here we have the Series 4. So the first thing that we're going to do is clear everything from the dock of both, and everything is cleared from this dock. So both docks are completely empty now. So let's go back to the main screen. And now I'm going to go ahead and open up the app switcher. So the first thing we're going to start with is the workout app. So I'm going to go ahead and press all three at once. Series 4 is already done. It's already ready for me to move. Series 2 just finished now, and it's a little bit laggy too. So you saw that this pretty much opened up instantly, whereas this one took a little bit of time with the spinning circle. So let's go back to the main screen. Let's try heart rate this time. So I'm gonna reset this. I'm going to go ahead and press these two and start. That one clearly took a lot longer. And how this is getting a heart rate from this, I'm not really sure. Same with this one. Kind of interesting that these two are, okay, this is kind of weird. Anyways, let's go to another app now. This time we're gonna look at weather. So I'm gonna go ahead and reset this and go. So WatchOS, so Series 4 was instant. It's already open. Series 2, taking its sweet time. So let's just try another third-party app too, Dark Sky. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. WatchOS 4 is done. Series 2 is still going. 11 seconds, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 seconds. 17 seconds for this one to go. You know, I didn't realize how slow Series 2 was until I got the Series 4. Let's try another third-party app, Yelp. Series 4 is done. It was instant. Series 2 is still going. Took 9 seconds for Series 2 to finish this task. So that was a speed comparison between the Series 2 and the Series 4. As you saw in this video, the Series 4 is a lot faster than the Series 2. So if you're coming from a Series 2, a Series 1, or even a Series 0, then this upgrade is going to be huge for you. Besides bigger screen, better battery life, and actually being usable, this watch is so much faster. So look out for my next video where I'm going to be showing you the new gold case color with a whole bunch of different bands that I've collected over the years. I know that when I bought this watch, I was a little bit skeptical of whether this watch would look good with some of the bands. So I'm going to be showing you guys a little bit more about that. So look out for that. So yeah, if you like this video, then give this video a thumbs up. And if you really like this video, then go ahead and subscribe. Until next time, guys.